Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Truecaller. We go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Truecaller as you see and you click. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.